In this video, we will be sharing some tips and tricks for replacing forklift parts on your own, so you can save money and time by avoiding costly repairs. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to remember that forklifts are complex machines that require specialized knowledge and skills to maintain and repair. If you don't feel comfortable with a repair, don't hesitate to call in a professional. That being said, there are many basic maintenance tasks that you can perform yourself, such as replacing forklift parts. 1. Forklift tires. Over time, tires can become worn or damaged, which can affect the forklift's handling and stability. Replacing forklift tires is a relatively simple process. Note that different types of forklifts require different types of tires, depending on their weight, load capacity, and the type of surface they will be used on. Another common part that needs to be replaced is the forklift's hydraulic system. Over time, hydraulic components can become worn or damaged, which can affect the forklift's lifting capacity and maneuverability. Replacing hydraulic components can be more complex than replacing tires, but it's still a task that can be performed by a skilled DIYer. In addition to replacing parts, there are many other maintenance tasks that you can perform yourself, such as cleaning and lubricating components, checking fluid levels, and inspecting for wear and damage. By performing these basic maintenance tasks on a regular basis, you can help ensure that your forklift performs at its best and avoids costly breakdowns and repairs.